Hi guys, in front of me is Google Pixel 9a, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound. At first, open your phone dialer. Now select More icon and go to Settings. From Settings list, choose Voicemail and mark Notifications. Here, scroll a bit lower, mark Sound, and choose the tune that you wish to add as your voicemail notification sound. Okay, so to upload some of them you need to be online, but let me choose one from Pixel Default Sounds. Once the selected one is checked, is marked, just mark Save to apply it. And that's it. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.